So when we're loading through the spray bar, it's going to come into the A valve. You open the A valve. It's going to go into the suction strainer box. The pump's going to be moving forward. It's going to pull material through the bottom of the pump into the top, into this T. That valve's closed. This valve's closed. It can't go back into the tank through the F valve because it's closed. The E valve's open, so that's going to send it into the spray bar through this suction strainer screen. It's going to come out of the suction strainer screen here through this load hose here on the right side of the machine. If you're sitting in the driver's seat, it's going to circulate all the way out around the end of that spray bar back in. It's going to go into the main bar. It's going to shoot all the way across the main bar. At that point, it's going to go into the wing, circulate all the way around the outside of the wing, come back through and into that bar feed hose, into this T assembly. This valve's closed, so it has to go up into this piece of plumbing that goes to the K valve. When it's going into the K valve, you'll see that shaft move an 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch. You have to really watch it. That'll allow the material to dump back into the tank.